Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about two of the most fascinating technologies out there, virtual reality and augmented reality. Both of these technologies are transforming the way we experience the world around us, and they have the potential to revolutionize many industries in the years to come. First, let's talk about virtual reality. Virtual reality, or VR, is a technology that allows you to enter a completely immersive digital world. By wearing a VR headset, you can be transported to a different environment and interact with it as if you were really there. VR is already being used in gaming, education, and even therapy. In the future, we may see VR being used in industries like real estate, travel, and entertainment. Next, let's talk about augmented reality. Augmented reality, or AR, is a technology that overlays digital information onto the real world. This is often done through a smartphone or tablet, and it allows you to see digital content alongside the physical world around you. AR is already being used in things like Snapchat filters and Pokemon Go, but in the future, we may see it being used in industries like retail, advertising, and even medicine. So, what are the differences between virtual reality and augmented reality? Well, while VR takes you to a completely different world, AR enhances the world you're already in. VR is often used for fully immersive experiences, while AR is often used for more practical applications. Conclusion. So, there you have it, a brief overview of virtual reality and augmented reality. These technologies are still in their infancy, but they have the potential to change the world in many ways. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more and more industries adopting VR and AR into their practices. So, keep an eye out for these exciting technologies in the years to come. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.